Today I'll show you the best free ways how to remove Gemini watermarks on images and videos. Whether you are on Mac, Windows or browser, it doesn't matter, so you just pick up the method that you fit best. At the end I will show you the method that lets you to generate images and videos without the watermarks from the start, so you won't need to remove anything later. The first method will allow you to remove the watermarks from Gemini generated images without installing any extra extensions or software. So the only thing that you need to do is simply just need to download the full size of the image. And once you are, and in case of you the Mac OS user, simply just open this image in the Photos app. And once you are here, you will have the edit function. And once you are, just hit the clean up and then choose the size of the erase and then find this Gemini logo and just erase it. And just in a few seconds, as you can see, you don't see that. For the Windows users, it's simply the same thing, that you just open the image and then you just erase it with the same function and basically you're done. However, there is another method that I likely to use more is with the Chrome extension, which is very useful. So to do that, just go and write the Erasure Chrome and open up the first link where you will find the Erasure extension and just simply install. In my case, I already have. So then, for instance, you simply can go back to your Gemini chat and make sure that this extension is activated and it's on. And then once you just go into download the full size of an image, the Erasure extension will be activated. So now, as you can see, the downloaded images was downloaded without the Gemini watermark. But if we talk about the video files, as you can see that there is a Gemini mark also in here, the Erasure works very well. So the only thing that you need to do in case if you are in the Gemini chat, so simply download the video and then again the Erasure will be activated. Once it is, you already can see that the Gemini watermark has been removed perfectly. The only thing to mention about the Erasure, that sometimes in case if you're trying to download the full-size image within the same chat, as you can see that the Erasure is activated, but at the end of the day, it's kind of downloading the video file rather than the generated image. I mean, the first one. So in case if this method doesn't work, then you can remove the watermark on your local machine with the methods that I showed. But the secret sauce of this video is that there is a method that will allow you to turn off the watermarks creation from the start, so you don't need to remove anything. To do that, you simply just need to go to the Google Flow and hit the first link. And once you are, you will end up on this screen. The Google Flow is a tool that allows to create all the images and videos with engines owned by Google, which is Veo and Nano Banana. So here is an example that I have videos, and one of the videos, as you can see, it was created with the Gemini mark, but at the same time there was another video that was generated without the watermark. The only difference was so that once I was in my account, here I have the logo of it, right? And here, as you can see, it's called visible watermarking. So the only thing that you need to do is simply to turn it off. And once you will generate any video or image, it will be without the watermark. Even though in case if you generate it with the watermark in the Google Flow, you can also use the Erasure extension to click on that and it will download it without the watermark. If you feel that this video was useful, please hit the like button and subscribe, and you will see more interesting things and features about the AI. Thank you very much and see you in the next videos.